voices in the empty void, calling out to nothing they once destroyed. White noise singing in the quiet dark, static like an echo leaving its mark. A language spoken yet never understood. Silent chaos pulsing where stillness stood. Cascading waves crash but no tides roll. Fading outlines, fragments of the whole. Every whisper feels like the truth untold. Hidden secrets